Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your React Native app version with Expo step by step clearly.
Open your terminal. Navigate to your React Native project directory. Ensure you have the latest version of Expo by running the command npm install g expo CLI. Open your app.json file in your project's root directory. Locate the version field. Update the version number according to semantic versioning rules. Save the changes to the app.json file. If you are using Expo SDK 40 or later, ensure that the SDK version field is also updated in the app.json file. To apply the changes, run the command expo publish. Monitor the terminal for any errors during the publishing process. Once the publish is complete, note the new version. If you use over-the-air updates, you may want to check that the new version is reflected properly in your settings. For testing, run the command expo start. Open the Expo Go app on your device to verify the updated version. Make sure everything is functioning as expected in the new version. Consider updating and testing on both iOS and Android platforms if applicable. Once confirmed, your React Native app version is successfully updated with Expo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.